great. Just what I needed to start off the year. We're starting off the year strong here, people. Hello everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Thivy, and this is not how I was expecting to start off the first vlog of the year, but this is how my 2021 is looking like so far. So my first vlog of the year, I just got into a car accident tonight, and yeah, I am feeling kind of sore right now. Hopefully it doesn't get a lot worse, but I probably should go to the doctors and get a checkup soon, so I'll probably do that this weekend. Long story short is I got rear-ended by another car. I don't want to say too much, but I will include pictures of my car down below. Obviously I'm not going to include the other person's car, although their car is very damaged. So yeah, here is just little clips of what happened. I didn't record too much because obviously I was in shock, and I still feel like I am in shock, so I think my body's just kind of numb right now. And yeah, so here are the clips. Car accident. My car got hit. Ugh, are you serious? I got rear-ended. And yeah, so this is how my 2021 is going. Just want to give you a quick update on my car, because I know a lot of you guys on my channel here watched me purchasing this car, and yeah, so this is the update on that car that I recently purchased. I know I said I was gonna bring you guys on a lot of adventures with this car, and this is the first event, I guess. Unfortunately, for the most part, I'm okay, and I guess it could have been worse, you know, so thank goodness that everybody was okay. Nobody was ambulanced away or anything, so that is thank God for that, luckily. My dad is actually at the scene of the accident right now. He brought me home and then went back there to get the car towed to the Toyota dealership so that they can fix it. As you can see in the photos and videos, my back end, the wheel and the bumper and everything were pretty damaged, so because of that wheel that's super broken, I can't drive it at all, so it definitely needs to get fixed. And yeah, that's the update on my car. As for me, I am okay for the most part. I am feeling a little bit of pain, but hopefully that will go away. And yeah, so I'm not sure how to end this vlog, but I will keep you guys updated and see you guys in my next one.